Welcome back. Just had to pull out my brother's 240 real quick because his tire went flat. So he's working on that. So I'll pull it back in when I'm done. Just needed some extra room in here. But yeah, we're gonna be working on the 240 again today. Started on it last video. All I did was I wanted to see with the old wheels how a rear bumper would fit. The new one I got, it's gonna look good. So I'm not worried about that now. The Meisters are on the 350Z now, which is over there. Actually, they don't look. Definitely grew on me. They look pretty good. Let's see. Anyways, so wheels are already here for this one. I showed them last video too. I just need to tidy this bitch up a lot. I'm gonna be taking off the panels out on the exterior. Maybe take some of the interior out. And that's about it. That's about it. Nothing major this video. Just some removal of shit. Start going over what I really need to do, make a list, and then we'll go from there. But might be one of the not so interesting videos, but it's got to be done. Figured might as well just show the progress as it goes. Alright, so body kit's off for the most part. I take this crash bar off a little bit later. Start tearing apart the interior a little bit. All the low guys out there, 240 guys. License plate. Saved my ass. Fucking harness tucked right behind it. Just make sure you wrap a lot of shit around here. That way it doesn't get cut, but had no issues. But then again, this is a simplified harness. I just got like headlights and my E-fans running through here, so it's not a lot. Normally yours is a lot thicker, but even then I still did this, and shit worked like a charm. You can see where it would have killed my harness a long time ago. But anyways, this thing needs a bad refresh. I'm gonna get the new wheels with tires so I can see how much I don't have to bang out anymore. Might paint all this shit in here, make it look like a nice black or something. This is the old paint. I need to redo all this shit. So yeah, this car needs some love. I need to start tearing apart the interior right now. I'm not gonna take it all apart. I just need enough to take the carpet out. And so seats, back seats, the side panels, and then center console. Dash is coming out, carpet. Everything else, like headliner and shit like that, probably won't be staying inside. I don't need to take all that shit out. Just enough to get to all the wiring harness and rearrange it. So that's probably gonna be next. Right now I'm gonna end up posting these fenders because I'm not gonna run them anymore. They have served their purpose for me, but now with the wider wheels, we're gonna need wider fenders. So hopefully, once I sell these and that rear bumper, the old one, I'll have enough to buy those front fenders, because that's how you have to do it sometimes. You have to wait till you sell some shit so you can buy some new shit. Because if you're into the drift stance game, you know, sometimes you have to learn how to budget. But yeah, so we'll be posting these up. I already mentioned my Instagram page where I sell 240 parts, me and my siblings, Arizona preferably. But we can ship smaller items. I'm not shipping these.
Jump to the back of the case. Strict when I walk straight through, no chase. Water flow down from the top to my lace. Take a bitch straight down to the goddamn place. Bitch say I leave, hey bitch don't call. Fuck what you say, shit never go fall. Check quick that I show with the walk to the stall. Never going back to the place in the fall. Grip walk fast, no snakes in the grass. Swift when I flow, no shit from the past. Talking about the trees and the G's, yes please. Young wild niggas see me in the middle of the seas. Tiptoe to the top of the by fast, Mark 1 drop top. When I swing to the back, what a nigga gon' stop. Bitch, tell me what you want, bitch, tell me don't stop. Tied up, no slack, show, sipping from the rose gold.
Alright, so I got all the interior out. So this is what I meant by the fucking mess back here. It's just really fucking messy behind the dash. So yeah, I'm gonna clean all this shit up. I'm gonna take the carpet out. That's pretty much basically out for the most part. I need to move all this shit because it's gonna look like this for a while. And then yeah, we'll slowly go at it. So from here on out, I don't think I'm gonna do step by step kind of shit because this is gonna take a lot of thinking, and I can't really do think how I'm gonna do this shit and then record. Probably just all be time lapse. So I'm gonna pull the carpet out next, and then I'm gonna move all this stuff. I need to go find a place for all this shit, then take the carpet out, and then we'll show you guys again. Harness thing and the engine bay thing might be like I should be able to get all the interior shit done, but the motor, like the engine harness, I'm gonna have to find out what I can delete, because the only thing I've deleted on this is the EGR. There's some other shit I can delete, some shit I can make look nicer, but yeah, for now, take it one step at a time. And I'm gonna have everything plugged in how it's supposed to be, except without the dash, obviously, and then make sure everything's working still. That way I know I'm not fucking the harness up or cutting something I shouldn't be cutting, or shit like that. Alright, so carpet is out. So this is what we're gonna end up with for this video. You can see I routed my relay box into that little panel where the air box would have been. Did that, and then made a plate for it. Made it look somewhat accessible. But yeah, I'm gonna try to clean up all this shit. Have my ECU down there with the jumper harness down there. I want to mount somewhere nice. These gauges are fucking everywhere. It just looks really shitty back here. I mean, no one really saw it, but I knew it was back here. There was a fucking power wire I ran or something. Oh yeah, the fuel pump, I fucking ran it all the way across here, all the way up to the fucking my breaker of my splitter for the battery. I could have just fucking jumped it over there, so I don't know what the fuck. I must have been out of it that day or something, but so there's no point in this fucking harness running through here. So yeah, I'm gonna probably end this video here. We got interior out, exterior fenders are out, shit like that's out. Slowly start chipping away at it. It's mostly harness work, like I said, so I don't want to show you guys too much of it, but I'll show you guys some steps of it, anything that I feel might be useful. But for the most part, it's just a fucking mess back here, man. I need to clean it up. How about stupid excessively fucking, some wires are just, I could have cut them shorter and soldered them so they're short and not long, but most of them are just fucking, I just kind of tucked up, hit under. But yeah, this is where I'm at. Probably redo some of this shit. I don't know. We'll go at it. But for now, this is probably it. Probably do a little bit of work off camera, but nothing too interesting. This is probably gonna be the boring part of the video. This is the series, build series. But yeah, I'll go at it for a little bit, and then that's it for this one.
Tell me that straight make cash like Hov in tech. Soon wanna take my mom from the stove. Still say I got shit to know. Educate dumb niggas slick on the low. Stroll right through, no shit in the view. Walk past motherfuckers, never had no clue. 346 in the 6, fucked up when the phone rang. North boys throwing up cash in the bank, sipping